This is 2428 here, and welcome to the Slenderman Origins 2. I don't know about this game, I never tried to play it, so...
It all happened a few years ago. My daughter and I were taking a carriage along an old abandoned road and, to our delight, had finally reached a settlement. We decided to spend the night here. There was a long road ahead of us. But we never imagined how long it would actually be. At night I was awakened by some noises. The room was still empty.
I'm hearing...
Windows closed, doors bolted shut. I didn't even understand at first that Lisa was simply gone. After searching for her and the inn proved unsuccessful, I tried asking the locals to see if anyone saw her. No, to no avail. But what I did learn was that Lisa wasn't the first child to disappear. I've also learned about a detective who was searching for them, and even managed to return a few back home. I was told about a former local landlord's castle, where the detective was headed next. Gathering my courage, I went after him. Maybe he could help me in my search.
Oh, this is it? Oh, I miss Slenderman games. What's this? Oh, he's duck. Okay. Push your finger across to the lower left. Wait, what just happened? Good. Good, man. What's this? Ooh. Oh, you show the arrow, man. Okay, never mind. Let's do this. What's this? I can duck. There you go. Wow, what's this? Can I... Oh, I can. Oh, look. I'm stuck. Okay, never mind. Let's go. So I got one here. Whoa. What the hell is that? Oh my. Okay, that's one. Oh god, it's so scary. Let's find two. Empty. Oh, I'm not going there. I'm not going there. I'm not ready. It says gonna try find a thing. Nope. Oh, good. I'm fine. Maybe just remove it. Let's see. Nope. Okay. Oh god, I'm so scared right now. What the hell is that? It's like a monster voice. I hate monster voice. Got a stone key. Okay. Whoa. Fuck me! Oh no. Okay, maybe one more is right here, I guess. So I'm ready, guys. If you want to close your eyes, I never made to be. Let's do this. And there's a whoa. I saw a triple hit like a weather boss. What the hell? Can I go there? Oh shit. Great, he's running away. Oh fuck! Oh god! Oh please don't kill me! Oh god. Where am I? I always seen this. I'm so scared. It's really terrifying. No, don't do the voice again, please. I hate that. Oh god, I'm so scared. Okay, get caught. The key's fixed. The door is open. Can I get in? Okay.
From the nameless detective's notes. Stone stairs first take you deep down, and then from platform to platform. Outside the rooms, I can't even see the dungeon ceiling. I'm pretty sure terrible things happen here, and that I'll find something. Some clue or hint there.
So you said I'm going to find some hints. Stop making the voice, man. I'm so scared. What should I must find the secret way of the thing? Secrets, huh? Maybe secrets is everywhere. So I need to find it. Where are these? All the torch has been fired. What if this? But oh. Shit, I'm so scared. I'm so fucking scared. Whoa. Hello? Oh god. Okay, maybe we keep going. I know you're scared, bro. Let's use this monster shield to scare them away. Oh, everything's fine down here. Hello? Everyone here? Oh god, someone died. Never mind. Let's keep finding something before monster see me. Oh god, I'm so scared about the Slenderman games. Why am I always saying this? Whoa. Oh shit! Is that you, Slender? Am I lost? Oh no, I didn't. Why? I'm so scared, bro. Hug me, please. You should pick up the notes to know why this Slenderman is here. Oh look, it's in that way. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm so scared. The scroll says touch this. Oh, I know statues weird. Maybe I know it. I know where the statues. Come on, don't be shy, guys. I need to close my eyes. I'm so scared about this game. Never mind, never close my eyes. Oh, look. A statue. Hello there. Ooh. Whoa. Oh. Unlock the game now. 4 different locations. This is, oh god. Oh shit. Man, this game's so terrifying me. It's not just like Slendermans or monsters keep attacking me. It's just like scaring people. I'm so scared. Okay, never mind. I will try download full version later. So I will see you guys in the next video. This is so much horror games I played. Oh god, why am I always saying this?